Hello and welcome to How Logical. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can sign into your TikTok account. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, if you don't have TikTok, you can install it on the Play Store. After you have done that, you can open it and you can see the profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. Go ahead and tap on it. And if you have already signed into your account, don't you worry, you can sign into another account. So go ahead and tap on the three lines on the top right hand corner and go to settings and privacy. After that, scroll all the way down and you can see the switch account. Go ahead and tap on switch account and you can see add account, right? Go ahead and tap on add account and you can see that if you have previously logged into your TikTok account, it will be shown, or else you can click on add another account. You can use your phone, email or username, or else you can continue with Facebook, Google or Twitter as well to sign into your account. So as I have already entered my ID, I'll just go ahead and go to add account, select my account, and you can see that as a 6-digit verification code has been sent to my phone. I'll just go ahead and solve this puzzle. After I solve this puzzle, a 6-digit code will come to my phone. I'll just go ahead and copy the code which is over here, paste the code. After I pasted it, it will automatically verify my TikTok account, and there you go. As you can see, I have successfully signed into my TikTok account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.